In this video, I'll show you how to check Instagram search history. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, if for any reasons you want to check what you have previously searched on Instagram, ensure you watch through this video. I'm going to show you what you need to do. This is my Instagram homepage, right? What we're going to do right now, click on the search tab, right? Click on the search tab. Once I've clicked on it, your previous searches would be displayed right here. So you can see my previous searches. I searched about Jordan Welch. He's an online entrepreneur, like we all are, right? So yeah, so this is how you can see how you can check your Instagram search history. So for now, I think I got just only one search history, right? So this is basically how you can check your Instagram search history. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I really appreciate it. I'm going to see you all in the very next one.